What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're checking out MS Dhoni. Hopefully I said his name right. He's a cricket player and these are his best helicopter shots. Now I'm not really sure what helicopter shots are or why they're called that. So we're gonna check it out and hopefully you guys enjoy. I love making these cricket videos because I love the positive feedback from you guys on all my videos that I make. So before we get into this video, if you guys could subscribe to my channel and like this video, that'd be greatly appreciated. Gotta make sure the camera's right. There we go. So best helicopter shots you don't even remember. Well, I'm not gonna remember any of them because I'm new to this.
This is an excellent over.
Okay, so based off that, looks like he brings the whole bat around.
Kevin Peterson.
Have to look at another clip though.
Kevin Peterson.
Yep, that's what it looks like. Pretty impressive though. He dropped it. Can't miss a grounder like that. Tried helicopter against ASIF but failed. So why are you posting it? It looks pretty satisfying though. Brilliant 6 against West Indies. Why do they call it 6?
Here he goes. It's in the air. Oh, another.
That's nice. Who's blocking the camera?
The double winder. How many is going to get?
I like that though, that they bring the whole bat around. Is every?
Well, look at the follow through.
Is that just like a rule or like what? Is every player swing like that or is it just like a preference? They don't look like that there. Great hit though.
Well, I don't know if I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible.
What was that?
Nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
Doesn't even show emotion. Does it reach? Couldn't see.
Sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the 4 that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this one slightly better.
Couldn't see.
Off his feet. Tries it again.
Where's the player? It's like nobody charged that one.
My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Pretty cool looking though, I gotta say. They can swing like that and be that good. Just listen to the commentary.
Well, I'm not really sure about that. Do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking too. They always bark when I make my videos. Best helicopter shot versus West Indies. Oh my gosh.
Straight down the ground.
Perfect.
Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL.
and he's cleared it quite easily.
That might be the best helicopter shot played till date.
Dhoni is the
What a shot.
In the air, Peter trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Wow.
Now, just watch this back.
Just bring it around like that. He's going to show emotion this time, hopefully.
There you go. That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
The music that they use for this is like the most common music. It brings me back to like when YouTube first came out. This always reminded me of the music that people would use back in like 2010, 2011. But yeah, guys, MS Dhoni. Hopefully I said his name right. When I did look him up, he had like a longer name. Okay, did not know how to pronounce it. I'm sure that's why they shortened it to MS Dhoni in the first place. But yeah, guys, hopefully enjoy this video. Dhoni, great athlete, great cricket player. Pretty impressive how he was able to swing like that. If there's any other players who swing like that, you know, drop it down in the comments. I'll definitely check them out as well. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, make sure to leave a like. I'm out. Peace.